This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows easy. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, water, and vanilla extract. Prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lightly greasing and dusting it with powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Next, bloom the gelatin by sprinkling it over 1/2 cup of cold water in a small bowl. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it softens. Now, let's create the sugar syrup. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium-high heat until the sugar completely dissolves. Bring the syrup to a rolling boil, then cook until it reaches exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving the perfect marshmallow texture. With your syrup ready, carefully pour the hot mixture into your stand mixer bowl with the bloomed gelatin. Using the whisk attachment, begin whipping on low speed, gradually increasing to high. Continue whipping for about 10 to 12 minutes. The mixture will transform into a thick, glossy, and fluffy marshmallow cream. During the last minute of whipping, add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Once whipped, immediately pour the warm marshmallow mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan. Use an offset spatula, lightly dusted with powdered sugar, to smooth the top evenly. Allow the marshmallows to set at room temperature for at least 4 hours. Once firm, invert the slab onto a cutting board dusted with powdered sugar. Cut into 1-inch squares and toss them in more powdered sugar to prevent sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.